Becoming a comedian is an exciting and challenging journey that requires a combination of talent, dedication, and perseverance. Whether you aspire to perform stand-up comedy, write comedic material, or both, there are several. In this guide, we'll explore the process of becoming a comedian in detail. Step 1. Discover your unique voice. Every successful comedian has a unique voice and perspective that sets them apart. Before you start performing, take time to explore your own experiences, observations, and opinions. What makes you laugh? What stories can you share that others will find relatable or amusing? Authenticity is key in comedy, so find your own voice and style. X2. To become a successful comedian, it's essential to study the art form. Watch performances by established comedians, both classic and contemporary, to understand different comedic styles. Analyze their timing, delivery, learn from both successful and less successful performances to understand what works and what doesn't. Etc. 3. Comedy is built on strong writing. Set aside dedicated time to write jokes, observations, and anecdotes. Experiment with different formats, such as one-liners, storytelling, or observational humor. Keep a notebook handy to jot down ideas whenever inspiration strikes. Don't be afraid to revise and refine your material over time. Criteria. Performing in front of an audience is crucial for a comedian's growth. Start with open mics at local comedy clubs or events. These environments provide a low-pressure space to test your material and get comfortable on stage. Pay attention to audience reactions and adjust your delivery based on their responses. Ives. Handle hecklers gracefully. Hecklers are a part of the comedy landscape. Develop the skill to handle them with humor and grace. This could involve quick-witted comebacks, incorporating heckler interactions into your act, or maintaining control of the situation without losing your. And 6. Build a strong stage presence. Confidence and stage presence are integral components of successful comedy. Work on your body language, tone of voice, and overall stage demeanor. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself to identify areas for improvement. The more comfortable and confident you appear on stage, the more engaging your performance will be. Exhibin. Network and collaborate. Building relationships within the comedy community is essential for growth. Attend comedy shows, open mics, and networking events to connect with fellow comedians, event organizers, and talent scouts. Collaborating with others can open up new opportunities and provide valuable feedback. Thacken 8. Embrace failure and learn from it. Not every performance will be a success, and that's okay. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and use setbacks to fuel your growth as a comedian. The ability to bounce back from challenges is a crucial aspect of success in the world of comedy. Act 9. To refine your material. As you gain experience, continually refine and expand your comedic material. Pay attention to which jokes consistently land well with audiences and which ones may need tweaking. Keep your material fresh and relevant to maintain audience. A10. Promote yourself. In the digital age, self-promotion is vital. Establish a strong online presence through social media platforms, a personal website, or a YouTube channel. Share snippets of your performances, engage with your audience, and showcase your unique comedic style. Building a fan base can open doors to more significant opportunities. As 11. Seek professional guidance. Consider seeking feedback from experienced comedians or mentors in the industry. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your comedic skills. Attend workshops or classes to further hone your craft and gain insights from seasoned professionals. 12. Persist and evolve. Becoming a successful comedian takes time and persistence. Stay committed to your craft, learn from every experience, and be open to evolving as a performer. The comedy landscape is dynamic, so staying adaptable and continuously improving will contribute to long-term success. In conclusion, becoming a comedian involves a combination of self-discovery, consistent writing, stage experience, networking, and resilience. By following these steps and staying true to your unique comedic voice, you can navigate the challenges of the comedy world and pursue a fulfilling and entertaining career in laughter.